Hello everyone, this is Jim from Dollar Finance. Welcome back to our channel. We are with you on 9th of November afternoon analysis. Today on this video, we will cover USD Japanese Yen, GBP Japanese Yen, and another interesting topic for me, maybe for you as well, BNB, Binance Coin. We will talk about this. Alright, before we start, let's speak with some news. Just 30 minutes ago, PPI of US has been released. So what is that? It is Producer Prices Index, inflation. So this was month over month and it was released as expected. It's 0.6 increase month over month. And mainly this is because of the gasoline prices. So oil prices still high, like compared to last week, just ease it a bit, but it's not over. To say, all right, oil is not, crude oil is not making any inflation pressure, we have to see something like 60 US dollar per barrel, then we can say, all right, it's on normal prices, maybe last that one. But right now it is helping to fuel inflation with oil prices because the demand is recovering more than and faster than supply. And on this report as well, we have seen 6.7 increase month over month in gasoline prices. The other prices are just slightly 0.1, 0.2 increase, but the main increase is from gasoline prices. So inflation is just making dollar index weaker. That's why we are seeing dollar index on decline. The first chart, let's start with first chart. As you know, we have told that Japanese new prime minister said he doesn't want Japanese yen devaluated that much. So he's expecting to be something like $110 level, 10 Japanese yen dollar against dollar. So it is happening quietly. It's happening just like you see on the chart. All right, what can happen from this moment? If we just check RSI as well and also the circumstances, it may go a bit down more. Reason because tomorrow there will be year-over-year inflation and then core inflation rate will be released tomorrow afternoon, and it is expected also for another increase on that one. So dollar index may just go down a bit further. So Japanese yen can just fall some more, or just on support level just below this area can rebound. So this is possible for a curve on this one, but after that one we may see just a rebound from this area. So for today and tomorrow, a sell-off after data release, then a buy option is suitable for Japanese USD Japanese yen. Let's look at what's happening in GBP Japanese yen.
You are ready to win with us. GAN Markets.
All right, we are on the chart of GBP Japanese yen, and as you can see here, Japanese yen value gain is happening on this chart too. Reason because inflation is happening in other part of the world different, in Japan different. In Japan there is deflation. That means prices are not going higher, they are going lower because the lack of consumption. Old population, not spending that much and it's not increasing, so they just keep that consumption at the same level. It's not going up, but the production has to go higher for a prosperous economy. That has to be. If something stops and the not go higher, then indexes and other things can't go higher, and if something can go higher, it has to fall. So deflation is happening in Japan. Just recent years, it started to go some higher, like a below 0 point, like a below 0.1. It started to be 0% inflation, and that's good for Japanese economy. So on recent months, we have seen that another slowdown, and Japanese new prime minister said, if we just go on devaluate of our money for competitiveness, we will lose our inside domestic consumption, because the prices of imported goods are getting higher. People are already not spending, so they just stop buying those things, and this is causing another deflation scenario. So they said, all right, just keep Japanese yen in competitive level, but at the same time not that competitive. From that speech, it started to fall down from really high points, from 158. Right now it's trading just under 153, and as you can see, for the last 5 days it just stuck in a tight range. So the next, probably it will just recover and make a rebound from this area, but not 58 in a short term, because they don't want that much devaluated money. So we may see 154, even at some low point they may try this rebound, and after this consolidation we may see some rebound on this direction. And if that consolidation doesn't go like this, we may see another fall down until to 151. So please just watch carefully. These 2 days is critical for USD Japanese yen. Let's look at BNB. Alright, we are on the chart of BNB. This is the coin of Binance crypto market. Why I'm just showing this one? This special reason. It is coming closer to the level in May, because in May it just went really high. Its market cap reached almost like a $120 billion, but from that point it started to decline. So a similar scenario is kind of happening there. And also one more thing that is really important. Just 1 year ago, the price of this coin is almost almost zero. Like it started like this, it was 6 and like that. It grew more than 100 times. I'm not saying just buy this coin. I'm just trying to show you the market monopoly by Binance is just happening. There are a lot of competitors like KuCoin, like Coinbase, like Gate.io, some other crypto markets, but Binance is just becoming just the hotspot of the market. Everybody knows, everybody has an account in Binance who is trading in cryptos. So this is kind of just not right, because not right reason is all the eggs are just getting collected in just one basket. If something happens to Binance, then all the crypto markets may crash. because in a lot of countries, they have in UK, for example, they have asked them to stop their operation, and some other places they have asked to stop operation with leverage, these kind of things. In China, they are just saying that stop operation, and like this, a lot of pressure on this market. And recently, every day, not every day, but like every 2 days, they are stopping their withdrawal, money withdrawal for a few hours. So it's giving signals that they cannot handle that much volume properly. But still, people are just getting into that one because the NFT projects, all staking, all the other things, and these kind of activities are not compared, like they're not like in line with real economic conditions. For example, there are some coins and then they are telling that, all right, if you just take your money in here for 1 year, I will give 70% interest. Even in like a BNB in Binance, like they are telling people that if you stake in here, we will give you 16-17% interest. And if they just do that one, it's kind of getting to Ponzi scheme. And this is so risky because they recently they are asking keeping the money inside that market. Not trade, just keep that one, just hold that one. Please just leave your money us and we can handle that for you. They are doing like this. For example, recently they just said, all right, we are making another coin project with Porto. It's a football club, but for the people who stake their money on between 6th of November till to 16th of November for 10 days. If you stake your money in Binance, then you have the chance of getting Porto coins as on pre-sales. So these kind of things are a bit different because they want to use that money because, in my opinion, they cannot give that returns like that the told returns on time, so they need some money. Like all right, they are getting like some commissions, but at the same time the interest rates, that kind of big interest rates cannot be obtained only that small commissions. It's not possible. That's why just be cautious on crypto market. And also the levels are getting so overbought levels. I have shown on this one, this is the highest point of Binance coin, and we are just a few steps away from the hottest place, from the highest level of this coin. It is just rising, no correction, no anything, just rising. And also monopoly in the market, it's not always good. It may lead some unwanted results. Just check your risk properly. That's just what I want to tell you. I'm not saying that don't buy or something. I'm just saying that invest cautiously. That's the most important thing. Thank you so much for watching us. We will be together on more news tomorrow morning, and especially tomorrow we will cover what can we expect from inflation data in US. Have a good day. Bye.